Well, everyone, iOS 26.5.2 is one of those types of updates that has basically been out, and let's go and take a look at it on the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, with the iPhone 12 Pro, this is one of those types of iPhones that has been out since 2020, and it is also supported on iOS 27. Now, in my personal opinion, I think it makes a lot of sense to go through and pretty much not install iOS 27 just yet, and I would recommend installing iOS 26.5.2, especially on some of these older iPhones. Now, with iOS 26.5.2, this update basically fixed a couple of big issues. The biggest issue of which was basically a WebKit vulnerability issue. So what this basically means is that for some iPhones out there, most iPhones on iOS 26 and below, you are kind of getting into a Safari issue where sometimes Safari would go through and allow the data inside of Safari to be exploited or to be taken out or something like that. Well, Apple has looked at that and they basically fixed this particular issue here. So this is a really big thing they ended up doing, and that in and of itself was a very big change. So now if you're somebody who wants to go through and, kind of have the most secure version of software, iOS 26.5.2 is probably going to be the one that's going to make a lot more sense here. So for me personally, that's the direction I'd recommend going down, and that's the way I'd probably recommend thinking about it here. So in terms of that basically covers it out there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.